Drop top time here at Unique, especially in classics, and check this one out. Won't see one of these every day. 1948 Buick Roadmaster convertible. So Series 76C, or should say Model 76C. That Fireball inline 8 underneath the hood, 320 cubic inches. Manual transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome up front, headlight surrounds, grille, kind of driving lights there. Wow, what a beautiful front end on these. Now, as far as the paint, this car was actually repainted in 2015 to 2016, so they did it over the winter. But between 2015 and 2016, car was repainted. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, take a look at those pics. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. This is one of those piano style hoods, so on each side of it, right there where the chrome handle is, and then on the other side, basically the same area, is another handle, and it will lift up either direction. And then of course you could take it all the way off when they were doing engine work. Seen a lot of them turned into sleds back in the day, flipped over and used in the winter. Riding on the wide white wall. Bias tires, as you can see, Roadmaster insignia. Kind of a wine and black interior, I guess I would call it. Burgundy and black or wine and black. The top of the car is camel or tan in color. It does have a power top. That is a cloth top also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Sorry about the noise in the background, just a Chevelle driving by. As far as the engine in this car, it was rebuilt in 2004, has approximately a little over 10,000 miles on it. The odometer was actually reset when they redid the engine build and tranny build, according to the previous owner. Wiring was replaced in 2019, and FYI, it has a battery shut-off on the battery, which is located on the passenger side of the vehicle. And I'll probably pop that side of the hood to show you that when we start it up, let you hear it run. Or you can check it out in the still pictures. I've got the hood open both ways. Check it out in the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You can see the paint has a nice luster to it, shows well. Bet you can get a reflection all the way to the front door past the cars there. Top is in nice shape. We're going to run that up here at the end of the video too. Let you take a look at that. Nice parade boot or convertible top cover, as you can see. The interior is free of rips, tears, holes. Also has power windows up front that do work. Cranks in the rear. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Of course, this has the foot feed start or foot pedal start. So what we're going to do is take this key, turn it just like that. Push in the clutch. We are in neutral. We're going to push in the clutch. And the car's running. Check out that chrome on the dash. 48's just awesome Buick. Alright, make sure we're in neutral. There's the miles since the engine was built, 10,862, so a little over 10,000. Kind of thought this was cool for going to car shows, what have you. They got their pack of Lucky Strikes strapped to the visor on the car. I don't know why I'm slipping around in the rear of this. You barely hear the car run. But we'll slip back here if you can hear that or not. I'm guessing you hear the car rolling around behind me. Alright, let's go up to the front of this. I'm going to show you how this hood opens. We'll check out this engine bay. We'll check the top out. And we'll wrap this up. Alright, so now you can see how the top opens both ways. So I undid the latch, just lift it up. Now there's that Fireball inline 8 or straight 8, 320 cubic inches, and smooth running. Wow. You'll be able to see it in the still pictures from the other side also. There's that battery shut off that I was talking about. Nice, smooth running Buick. All right, let's go ahead. I'm going to close that back up. Shut it off. We'll get that top up once we be able to check out that top yet.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the top up. So call it camel or tan cloth. We're not noticing any rips, tears, holes in it. Remember, it is power top, glass rear window. And you'll be able to check it out in the still pictures too, along with the rest of the car. Along the windshield here, get a look at it. So as you can see, top's in nice shape. Need to put it up and use it at all. It's going to serve the purpose. So there you go, 1948 Buick Roadmaster convertible. What a beauty in black. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.